Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're like me, then after dinner, you're always craving something sweet. Let me tell you how I love reaching out for these delicious cookies. This is the chocolate brownie, and I want to show you how they look. The little bag inside comes like this, and they are small crackers. They literally taste like chocolate brownie. This is the size. I just like having a handful just as they are. They are crunchy, they are very chocolatey, and the sweetness is just perfect. I like having them like this, but now my husband likes having them like a cereal. He enjoys putting them in a bowl with a little bit of milk. I so enjoy eating these because not only are they delicious, but the ingredients are super clean. Remember, if you recognize the ingredients, then your body will definitely too. I highly recommend these cookies. I love this brand from Simple Mills. They have a variety of crackers, of cookies that are very healthy for you and the family. I give these cookies a 10 out of 10, but that is just my point of view.